Hi, my name is Portia Kimball, your cake diva, and today I'm going to show you how to make fondant look like marble. In order to make fondant look like marble, you can use as many colors as you want. Today we're going to use two. We're going to use white and orange fondant. I do not suggest using the same amount of each color because then what will happen is when you blend them, they will turn into one solid color. So today I'm going to pinch off a little bit of the orange. I'm going to take some of the white and I'm going to just mix them together with my hands. In order to make this look like fondant, you do not want to knead the fondant to make it one color. The whole purpose is to not mix it so we get the fondant marble look when we roll out the fondant. I'm going to put a little Crisco down on my surface, and now I'm going to ball this up, place this down on my counter, take my rolling pin. I'm going to roll the fondant a little bit, and then you'll start to notice the marbleized look that you were going for. If you want to add a third or fourth color, you're more than welcome to do so, but two does just fine.